This is my review for the 4-stage under sink ultrafiltration water purification system. This is from the brand iSpring water systems, and this was provided to me to give you this honest feedback in this video, and that's what I'm doing here. So this is the box that comes in here. I just took it all out. Let me show you what you get in this box. So first of all, you have your filtration system, and it has the 4 different filters, and the 4 different filters it has is, first of all, it has this PP sediment filter, and then we have the ultrafiltration membrane. After that, it has the KDF and activation carbon compound filter, and after that is the post-activated carbon filter. So these are the 4 different filters that this has. I want you to check out the page. It'll talk about each what this does, what it takes out, and what it helps you with your water system. Now here's all the pieces it comes with. Of course, we have our instructions. It's pretty easy to put in. It shows you how to put it in the countertop, how to hook it up. You know, it's only a couple of hoses here and some different things. We have some pieces here, including the leak detector and shutoff valve, which is pretty cool. And of course, we have our spout that's going to go on top, and then you have everything here as far as your installation, all that stuff is in there as well. And all you need to do is have, you know, like I have already a hole in here in the sink that's going to go right in there, and that's going to then go to the underneath filtration system that's going to go in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all installed now, and we'll see how it works once it gets in. All right, this is all installed now. As you see, this went in really easy, actually. It was really simple to put this in, easy to follow directions. That's in place now. It's locked in, and I'll show you what it looks like underneath. So the filtration system is here. It simply had the one that you have the out going to the top there of the faucet, and then you have the incoming over there. And as you see, I can zoom in on that. Just was very easy to put that in. The attachment directions are all in there. You just had to put that piece, right, that white piece on there. We have the normal part going out on top, and then you have on the right there coming out with the tubing for the filtration system. That's all going through the system here. I did have to run it for a few minutes before I could drink water, but let me show you how it looks like when it comes out now. So when you want water, you just come over here, you turn this on here, and then you have your water coming out, and you see it's nice and clean there. I got a nice cup here. I'm going to fill that up, and like you said, it's going to be all filtered. And make sure you do run it for a little while, and make sure that you have nice clean water, and then when you're done with that, you turn that off, and it's going to get all that sediment and junk out of there. Let me taste that. Yeah, nice and clean. Nice and good water there. So I do like this. Like I said, it was so simple to put in. Now I have clean drinking water, and you know, it's got to make sure that we replace those filters as needed. So follow the directions on that, and I hope you enjoy this review and you get great use out of using this water filtration.